Hello everyone, it's your girl Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. That's not cute. So I already started this video once, but I accidentally keep showing the side with my address on it. But we're gonna do an unboxing. So yeah, this was the package I already started to open up, and then like I opened, got like that way. But the three packages that I have that are like not the Bath & Body Works one I want to show you are from Mercari. So I've been seeing everybody buy this everywhere. I know I probably could have gotten it at Marshall's for like $6.99, but I only paid $10 for it. So it's this cute little says Lip Care Duo, Sweet Dose by Beauty Creations. I do want to smell it. I guess it's supposed to be like vanilla maybe, or cream, like vanilla cream. I don't know, because it has ice cream on the packaging. So it is a lip scrub and a lip oil. Everybody's been really into oils lately, so I just wanted to get a few myself. This is what that one looks like. And then there's the little scrub. Let me see. Ooh, it's kind of like chai scented-ish, but it smells good, so I like it. I'm excited for this. Oop, where is it? The front. There we go. There's the little duo. Super cute. Almost did it again. See? What the heck? Almost did it again. Ay. Alright, let me just... Hopefully that wasn't in it, but we're just gonna cut this part off. And oh my gosh, the hanger broke. But this is the cutest pair of freaking underwear, like not pair, pack of underwear that I've seen. Y'all, I mean, really don't want to, I haven't worn them yet, so it's not like it's like weird. See, like the hanger broke, but like they're just so cute. Like, and then the back one is cheetah print. They're boy shorts. They're so cute. The last ones I had said stuff on the butt, so these ones don't. I mean, which is okay, but I was just seeing if they did. Anyways, so then I have another cup coming, but the seller hasn't shipped it yet, so I'm just gonna like open that on TikTok or something when I do end up receiving it. Why can I never do this in one try? Everything's difficult. Okay, so I have way too many difficulties. I'm just gonna do it this way because I don't know what the heck that side's doing. Y'all, I'm so sorry. You can probably skip this until you see what's coming out of the box if you want. But why I don't like this box. Try not to show my address. What the heck is going on here? It really doesn't want me to get into it, does it? Oh my goodness. Okay. So, pink straw. And my lid. Okay. You guys, it is the Easter plaid Starbucks cup. Oh my gosh, my hair, sorry about that. But pretty pink straw. And then the lid. I mean, I appreciate all the packaging though, but that box is just not it. It's just a yellow lid. Super cute. I think this is going to be my new favorite cup. Every time I get a new cup, it's my favorite one, but just look how pretty. Like, my lighting sucks, but it still looks pretty. So that's the stuff from Mercari. And then I do have a Bath & Body Works package here. So I got, this was from the $5.95 sale. I got the full set of gingham, not like full, but like, you know, a spray, lotion, and shower product in gingham vibrant. I have the mini perfume as well, but I've been using that like crazy, so I'm definitely wanting to get the full size perfume. I got gingham legend. People were saying this is literally just like legend repackaged, but that's okay because I like, you know, gifts anyway. It's cool. I got this, which is really cool. It's a sunscreen lotion from Bath & Body Works. It's only SPF 20, but like, it's the fact that they're caring enough. Waikiki Beach Coconut, definitely taking this when and if I go to the beach this summer. I got like a little set-ish thing of Gingham Gorgeous. Gingham Gorgeous I don't like as much as Vibrant, and I haven't smelled fresh yet. So I got the body butter because they didn't have a Vibrant one, so I just got Gorgeous, and then a Diamond Sugar Mist because they only had that in Gorgeous as well. And then I got 2 of the new sprays. I don't really care for Saltwater Breeze, and I know you guys are probably gonna have very different opinions than me, but that is okay. But I got Amethyst Waves and Emerald Mist, and Emerald Mist is okay. It's not something that I would wear all the time, but I'm okay with having one of these. But Amethyst Waves, I'm definitely going to get the rest of the set in because this just smells so good to me. I love it. So there is my mini little unboxing, and I guess like I can do like a little thumbnail like everybody else does and they pose. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be doing more videos now that I work overnight and I have more time during the day. So see ya.